Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Factorio on mobile. We'll explore several exciting ways to bring your factory to your handheld device, from powerful cloud gaming services to streaming directly from your personal computer. You'll also learn about essential setup tips, like optimizing controls, to ensure a smooth and enjoyable gameplay experience on the go. Let's dive into building your factory anywhere. Cloud gaming offers a fantastic way to play Factorio without needing a powerful mobile device. Services such as GeForce Now and Boosteroid host the game on their robust servers, streaming the video directly to your phone or tablet. This means the heavy lifting is done remotely, allowing for smooth gameplay. Just ensure you have a very stable internet connection, preferably 50 megabits per second or more, for the best visual and input responsiveness. Another excellent option is streaming Factorio directly from your own computer using the Steam Link app. Your powerful gaming PC handles the game's processing, while your mobile device acts as a display and input. For a comfortable experience, adjust the in-game UI scale to around 225%. This method works both on your local network and over the internet, giving you flexibility to play from almost anywhere. To truly enjoy Factorio on mobile, optimizing your setup is key. We highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to your device for the best control precision, as touchscreen-only play can be challenging. Also, fine-tune Factorio's interface settings, like UI scaling and tooltip positioning, to suit your smaller screen. Finally, always prioritize a fast and stable internet connection to minimize any streaming latency and keep your factory growing smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.